Hi, Daniel Kerry. Our initial thoughts were having them hanging from the hook down in the main hall there on the circular structure, which would be a bit of a task and to have a cherry picker in the hall and so forth. But now I've come to this space, which is the front gallery here, and seeing the sea behind them, and obviously with the story behind the blankets with the refugees rescue, I think this space here would be far more fitting during the summer show, which we get a lot of people in due to our location. If we hung some blankets from the roof here, and there's plenty of scope for interpretation on the wall there as well, I think that's the space that we should be considering. I hope you agree.